So, today I'm going to be doing physics. As a lot of you know, physics was my original thing that I had started to study and then left. But I'm going to focus a bit about the basics. So, what is physics? Physics is the science of how and why objects move. Now, there's two sections to it. One is dynamics. Dynamics is the why. Now, the why could be as big as gravity that we're used to every single day that stops us from floating out into space, or it could be nuclear forces, or it can be electrostatic forces, or magnetic forces. So it's a lot of different things that go into dynamics. Now, the other part is kinematics. Kinematics is the how things move. Now, the how has to do with forces. It could be a force that's applied on the object physically, or something that pulls it towards itself. So force is anything that's a push or a pull. So if you have a magnet, for example, a magnet would pull the object towards it, and that would be exerting a force onto it, a magnetic force. So here I have an example of a kinematics question in 1D. So you're given an object at initial time 0, and a force is applied on it to make it go 6 meters per second. So there's a force applied on an object at time 0, which makes it go 6 meters per second, and 8 seconds later it's an unknown velocity, and it's at a 2 meters per second squared acceleration. Now you want to know how far it traveled in those 8 seconds. So the equation that you use, since it's a constant acceleration, is x equals v naught t plus a half at squared, where v naught is your initial velocity, x is your distance, t is your time, and a is your acceleration. So your initial velocity is 6 meters per second. You multiply that by 8 seconds, and then you add a half times your acceleration, which is 2 meters per second squared, times your 8 seconds squared. And when you do all that math, you get a positive number that equals 110 meters per second. 110 meters. So subscribe to me so you guys can see some cool videos doing science and experiments and maybe learning something new. Thanks!